How do you say drop dead in Spanish? Muérete. How do you say son of a bitch? Hijo de puta. How do you say asshole? Gilipollas. How do you say bastard? Bastardo. How do you say bitch? Perra. How do you say dumbass? Imbécil. How do you say go to hell? Vete a la mierda. How do you say screw you? Que te den. How do you say motherfucker in Spanish? Cabrón. How do you say fuck you? Que te jodan. How do you say kiss my ass? Bésame el culo. How do you say what the fuck in Spanish? ¿Qué mierda? Can you repeat? ¿Qué mierda? Follow me. Learn and speak English and Spanish with me. How do you say kiss my ass in Spanish? Bésame el culo. Can you repeat? Bésame el culo. How do you say you bastard? Cabrón. Can you repeat? Cabrón. How do you say son of a bitch? Hijo de puta. Can you repeat? Hijo de puta. Dumbass. Idiota. Can you repeat? Idiota. How do you say fuck? Joder. Can you repeat? Joder. How do you say bitch? Perra. Can you repeat? Perra. How do you say bullshit? Tonterías. Can you repeat? Tonterías. Fuck off. Vete a la mierda. Can you repeat? Vete a la mierda. Go to hell. Vete al infierno. Can you repeat? Vete al infierno. How do you say screw you? Que te den. Can you repeat? Que te den. Follow me and let's improve your Spanish together.